In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Turo account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Turo, whether you're decluttering your digital world or just moving on, deleting your account is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step so you can confidently close your account without a hitch. First, you'll need to access Turo either through their website or via the app. Head over to Turo.com on your preferred web browser or open the Turo app on your mobile device. Having the flexibility to choose between the website and the app means you can follow these instructions on whichever platform you find most convenient. Once you're on the site or app, the next step is to log into your account. This is crucial because you need full access to your account settings in order to proceed with the deletion process. Be sure you have your login information handy, as you'll be asked to provide your username and password. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your profile. If you're on the website, you'll find the profile icon conveniently located at the top right corner of your screen. App users will notice it at the bottom right corner. This icon is your gateway to your personal account settings. Next, delve into your account settings. This section holds all your personal information and the options related to your account management. By navigating here, you'll be one step closer to completing the deletion process. Once you're in the account section, scroll down until you find the option that says Close My Account. It might be located toward the bottom, so make sure you scroll through all available options to locate it. This is the option that initiates the process of permanently closing your Turo account. Click on Close My Account, and from here, follow the on-screen instructions. The prompts will guide you through confirming your decision to delete your account. These steps are in place to ensure that account deletions are intentional and allow you to double-check your choice, as the process is irreversible. And there you have it. Your account will be closed following your confirmation. It's important to note that by closing your account, all your data, listings, and transaction history will be permanently removed from Turo's platform. Make sure you've backed up any necessary information you might need before taking this final step. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to delete your Turo account. If you have any lingering concerns or need further assistance, reaching out to Turo's support team is always a good idea. Remember, your digital footprint is as important as your physical one, so managing your online accounts is a proactive way to protect your information and privacy. Thanks for watching, and take care.